Downs and Simmons Connectivism Learning Theory. So Dow and Simons in 2004 sought to create a new learning theory. This theory was to create a bridge between the gap between traditional learning and technology and learning. This theory provides insight to learning skills and tasks needed for growth in the new digital age. And they believe that learning happens across networks, not just solely individually, and that technology has created new avenues to learn and share information. The principles of connectivism include learning a knowledge rests in diversity of opinions. Learning is a process of connecting specialized nodes and information sources. Learning may reside in non human appliances. Capacity to know more is more critical than what is currently known. Nurturing and maintaining connections is needed to facilitate continual learning. Also, the ability to see connections between fields, ideas, and concepts is a core skill. This theory also focuses on currency. Accurate, up to date knowledge is the intent of all connectivist learning activities. And that decision making is itself a learning process. Choosing what to learn and the meaning of incoming information is seen through the lens of a shifting reality. While there is no right answer now, it may be wrong tomorrow due to the alterations in the information climate affecting the decision. So, Simons and Dow's believe that knowledge exists everywhere, and incorporating technology into how people learn and network and utilizing the tools that are out there through technology to gain more information. This picture shows how you can take one idea and utilize social networking sites such as Twitter, podcasts, um, wikis, and video conferencing and networking with others and family members and colleagues and putting all of this into learning that this is what is known as learning through the digital age. And it's connecting people and technology together. So applying connectivism to the training environment, it can work in both synchronous and asynchronous environments. This theory invites students and employees to challenge themselves, find diversity in peer groups using social media, provide up to date resources for students and employees, allows autonomy between learning management systems to form social groups using tools such as blogs. As well as different social networking platforms, web browsers, online discussion forums to gain more understanding. Ongoing training is a priority in development. And it challenges students and learners to a pursuit of knowledge to form new ideas. So, taking what you already know, what you might want to know, and incorporating different forms of technology and networking to learn what it is that you're sought out to learn. It gives learners the ability to take control of what they're actually learning, which is the goal of this theory.